Up here you can see the people in the, I don't know if you can see them, that was my albergue. And I can hear all the Italian kids from here. 90 of them. Lots of people on the trail today. I'm carrying some extra things that I shouldn't be carrying. I have 3 hard-boiled eggs, a banana, and extra water, some salami. All of this is quite dense and heavy, and I have to get rid of it because my shoulder can't handle it. I'm eating some of the weight I was carrying. I took a couple sips of my extra water and then dumped it. I ate an egg and 2 pieces of salami. So that gets rid of some of the weight. Lots of pilgrims on the road today. It's good to see. What is this thing in the middle of nowhere? What's that? So yesterday we passed the 100-kilometer marker, which means, well, and I just passed one that said 89, so we're getting closer and closer to Santiago. I did see Francine at the grocery store last night. We agreed to maybe, perhaps, have breakfast together at her albergue. But that didn't work out because she wanted to hit the trail early, and I didn't. I don't like to walk in the dark. I don't know if any of you know it, but I have impaired vision. I have one eye that has a detached retina, so I don't really have depth perception, which is why I trip a lot on uneven pavement, which is why you'll see me walking in the street when most people are walking on the sidewalk. So if you add that to fog and darkness, I'm pretty much ciega, blind. That uphill just now was really hard on my shoulder for some reason. And she's not, I don't like to bitch. but it's hard walking in pain. So I'm just carrying my sticks right now and got rid of some weight, which helped. I bought a whole bag of those dried figs. They're lovely, lovely. So I ate a bunch of those last night in bed. The Italian kids were just that. They were kids. They got in the albergue at about, I don't know, 9:30, 10. And we had to shush them a couple of times because, you know, it's supposed to be... Uh-oh. I think this is them, actually. Yeah, this is them. Anyway, they were good. I would say they're 17 years old because they do have chaperones. Very slow going today. Very slow going. Still in this layer of fog. And just an inordinate amount of shoulder pain today. On a brighter note, well, let me think of one. That's the first sun I've seen all day. I think we came from down there and we're still summiting this hill. A layer of fog right there. Here's a group of Italian kids from Milan. Okay, I got 1 more kilometer to go. And here's those 90 kids. They're a jolly group. Here's my town. I have found my albergue. I stayed here last time, so I know exactly what it looks like. I'm gonna check in and I'll get back. I didn't have a whole lot of content today, but just painful shoulder and just walking with that. It's just, I just tried to get here today. That was the first, actually. I'll be right back with you. I'm gonna check in.
I can roll it too early.
Gracias. Wait.
Okay, this is mine. This. Okay.
I'll take that.
We bring this.
Tomorrow the look is outside before 9. This.
Okay.
Okay.
Sí.
Shoes
Okay. Vale.
and 2 beds.
Nice.
Toilet and shower there.
Excellent. I'm gonna take my same bed.
Outside. Okay. And this. Okay, great.
Woohoo! Yes, I'm gonna get the exact same bed I got last time.
You got exactly.
I got this one next to the bed. I got here and I was the first one to check in. Francine was the second, because they weren't open yet. I remember being here last time. It was very nice, and I didn't take part in the Camino dinner. But Estrella Galicia, please. Estrella Galicia. Estrella. ¿Cómo se llama?
Estrella Galicia.
Grazie. I'm here, and there's a big bee interested in my beer. Well, I made it to my albergue, and I'm having a beer. This is where I stayed last time, and it's in a town called Ventas de Narón, and I think we have like 84 kilometers left to go to Santiago. And today was just a slog for me, mostly because I was in pain most of the way. And so I'm gonna have to try to find a way to not walk with anything on my shoulders, because it's been 40 consecutive days and my body's like off, basically.